Hello and welcome back to Seaside Garage. The Trabant, the P60 from 1963. This car is 60 years old. It's pretty unbelievable. Yeah, you can see it, but still, it's pretty amazing. I took it for a long drive together with a friend yesterday. And when I say long drive, everything more than 15 minutes in this feels like a pretty long drive. But it's a lot of fun to drive in. There's not a lot of stuff that compares to this. And that is really what is amazing about these old cars, the personality and the experience. I bought the Trabant back in, I think it was February this year. Back then it was unregistered. It wasn't really braking. It did start and run pretty okay, but it needed a lot of work. There's still a lot of stuff that needs to be done. But I have decided that my journey with the Trabant is over. At least I think so. Because, as you know, I have a lot of projects going on at the moment. Yeah, I'm looking at you, Saab. And I would really like to get some funds to actually make them work. I'm not planning on buying a lot of new spare parts, but even restoring old parts costs some money. Therefore, I took a look at my fleet and decided that the Trabant is pretty much the one that is first in line if I need to sell anything, because I'm not going to sell anything without number plates. It's just not worth anything, and the journey is not over. I know I will regret it badly when I sell stuff that I haven't gotten onto the road yet. This one is on the road, and at the moment I have to admit I'm not using it that much. But I have always dreamed about trying a Trabant. I have always dreamed about trying to fix stuff on the Trabant. Unfortunately, the engine is working pretty well on this one. I had a dream about rebuilding a Trabant engine. That could happen in the future. Maybe I find another one in the future, most likely, I think. But I have done a lot of stuff to this. And of course, you can go and watch the entire playlist on the Trabant, on all the stuff that I have fixed. But I have decided to boil it all down into a small clip that I will show you now about the journey from off the road to on the road. Like that. I can't really see a better way to do this. But it seems a bit... There must be a better way. Just can't really figure out how. That was one side. I done something. So yeah, it was a nice journey. And it was a fun experience to get to know the braking system on the Trabant, because it's different, to say the least. It's not very complicated, but it is different, and it gave me some struggles, that's for sure. This car runs really nice now. From time to time it is a little bit hard to start, but I do think that is part of the way the Trabant works. In a previous video, I fixed up or tried to fix up the starter motor. I actually failed. A couple of days later after that video, it stopped working again, and I got another one and put that in, and now it's working fine. I still have a slow cranking speed. It could be the battery getting low, and it could be just normal. It is working though, and it runs nice. I actually had it on the motorway a while back, and I actually went over 100 kilometers per hour in this one, and that is something I will never forget, I think. But it's running and driving a lot better than you might expect when you see the smoke and when you hear the tales about a Trabant. It's a perfectly nice working vehicle, especially considering that it's 60 years old. But I'm gonna put this up for sale now, and hopefully someone will take over from here. Maybe just keep it as is, maybe painting it. It's still got a lot of work on the cosmetic apartment. In the interior is still really worn. The exterior got a lot of stuff going on as well, and it's not completely watertight. But I think I have all the parts needed to fix that, so it's a pretty easy winter project for someone. But anyway, thank you for watching, and thank you for joining me on the journey of the Trabant. It's always sad to let something go, but it's just part of the game because it costs a lot of money to have all these projects, and at the moment I think I'm up to 9 projects, and that's a lot. So thank you for watching, and see you in the next one.